Want to program a new key fob for your 2002-2006 Chevy Avalanche? It's a DIY-friendly process that can save you money. This video will guide you through it. First, ensure you have a working ignition key. A new key fob with fresh batteries using 314 MHz RF signal, and your Avalanche is parked in a secure location with all doors closed. Note the last 8 digits of your VIN from the sticker on the driver's door jamb. While not always necessary, it can be helpful for verification. Be aware that while generally safe, improper programming could trigger security system issues. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position with the engine off. Press and hold the unlock button on the fob until the vehicle locks and unlocks, approximately 15 seconds. This clears any existing codes. Turn the key to off and remove it from the ignition. Reinsert the key and turn it to on again. Within 10 seconds, press the lock button on the fob. The doors should cycle, locking and unlocking to confirm successful programming. Repeat the process for up to 4 fobs if needed. Turn the key to off to exit programming mode. If programming fails, try disconnecting the battery for 10 minutes to reset the body control module. Also check for interference from other RF devices or ensure the fob has fresh batteries.